starting with the third lesson, negative numbers and integers. Now, what are negative numbers and why do we need it? Negative numbers are needed whenever we want to subtract bigger number from a smaller number, or you can say you have temperature scale. So sometimes the temperature goes below 0 degrees Celsius. At that time we require negative numbers. The negative numbers are written as -3, -9. That is numbers with negative sign before them. Okay. Now what are integers? Integers are all the negative numbers along with the whole numbers. That is negative numbers plus whole numbers are your integers. That is, if you have -3, -2, -1, all the negative numbers extending up to -infinity, 0, and then all the positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, that is extending up to infinity. So here 0 is neither a positive number nor a negative number, and these numbers are all said to be positive numbers, but it is not required to write plus sign in between them. That is 1, it means +1 only. So there is no need of writing plus sign, just you have to write minus sign for the negative numbers. Okay. Now how to represent integers on a number line? The first step is to draw a line. On this line at the center it should have 0. 0 is also said to be origin, and to the right of 0 there are all the positive numbers. Represent all the positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then so on, and here we have -1, -2, -3 and then so on. Okay, so just by observing this number line we can say that 2 is greater than 1, then 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3. That is, if we go to the right on the number line, the numbers are increasing. The numbers are increasing. And if we move to the left on the number line, the numbers are decreasing. So by this we can say that all the positive numbers are greater than 0 and all the negative numbers, similarly all the negative numbers are smaller than positive and 0. Okay, and 0 is smaller than all the positive numbers and 0 is bigger than all the negative numbers. Okay, now the last part, what are absolute value or modulus value of an integer? Numerical value of an integer without its sign is said to be absolute value, and it is denoted by the symbol 2 vertical bars. Inside this vertical bar is -3 is there. So we have to just take its numerical value, matlab we don't have to take its sign. So it will be 3. So absolute value of any negative numbers is always positive. Then absolute value of 9. So absolute value of 9, it is already positive. So its absolute value is also 9. Okay. And absolute value of 0 is always 0. Exercise 3.1. First question is, write the opposite of the following. First question is earning of ₹5,000. So earning का opposite is spending, or you can say expenditure. इसका answer will be expenditure of ₹5,000. The second question is 200 meter above the sea level. So its opposite will be 200 meter below the sea level. 200 meter below sea level. The next one is 20 degrees Celsius below freezing point. So 20 degrees Celsius below. So opposite of below is above freezing point. So 20 degrees Celsius above freezing point. Make a note. Second question, answer the following using integers with appropriate sign. So यहाँ पे जो भी statements दिए, we have to just write the statements in integers form. Okay. First one is find the change in amount in Tanmay's bank account if he deposited rupees 26,500. डिपॉजिट करना मतलब क्या? डिपॉजिट मतलब बैंक के अंदर मनी पुट करना, तो बैंक में मनी क्या हो जाएगा? इंक्रीज होगा, तो इसका आंसर विल बी प्लस 26,500. तो अभी यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट है, तो अगर बैंक से हम लोग मनी निकालते हैं तो निकालने को क्या बोलते हैं? विड्रॉ. विड्रॉ, ठीक है, रिमेम्बर दिस. दिस आंसर विल बी इन रुपीज 26,500. ओके. B question. Shivansh made a profit of rupees 3,000 by selling a television. What is his profit? तो he made a profit by selling a television. उसने टेलीविजन सेल करके प्रॉफिट बनाया. प्रॉफिट बनाया मतलब उसका इनकम हुआ, उतना इंक्रीज हुआ मनी, कितना? 3,000. सो आंसर विल बी रुपीज पॉजिटिव रुपीज 3,000. ओके. अगर प्लस साइन नहीं लिखा तो भी इट इज ओके. A whale is 3,000 meter below sea level. What is the elevation of the whale? तो elevation of the whale will be below बोला है, तो वो नीचे गया है, तो it will be negative. तो आंसर will be minus 3,000 meters. अभी D question. A worker at a shopping mall goes 10 meters डाउन इन द बेसमेंट. तो वो शॉपिंग मॉल में नीचे गया बेसमेंट के कितना? 10 मीटर्स. तो फाइंड द चेंज इन हिज पोजीशन. तो आंसर विल बी minus 10 meters. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग इंटीजर्स ऑन अ नंबर लाइन. तो जो इंटीजर्स दिए वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट इट ऑन अ नंबर लाइन. तो पहले एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ कर दिया. कौन से इंटीजर्स है? +4, 0 एंड -7. तो पहले हम लोग को पता है सेंटर में 0 होता है, फिर यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 और यहाँ पे -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. तो विच नंबर्स वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट उसको हम लोग हाईलाइट करेंगे. तो +4, तो +4 इज हियर, ठीक है, +4 और यू कैन मेक अ डॉट देयर. फिर सेकेंड इज 0, 0 ऐसे डॉट कर दो, ठीक है. फिर -7, तो -7 इज हियर, हो गया रिप्रेजेंट. इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स विच इंटीजर इज टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ द अदर ऑन द नंबर लाइन. तो दो नंबर्स दिए, पेयर ऑफ नंबर्स दिए नंबर लाइन पे. विच ऑफ द गिवन इंटीजर्स इज टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ द अदर वन. मतलब दो नंबर है, इसमें से लेफ्ट में कौन सा है नंबर लाइन पे. तो हम लोग ने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था कि लेफ्ट में जो नंबर्स होंगे मतलब दोज नंबर्स विल बी स्मॉलर देन द नंबर टू द राइट ऑफ इट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज -13, -26. So for negative integers it is just the opposite of positive integers. Positive integers में अगर हम लोग राइट साइड जा रहे हैं तो नंबर इंक्रीज हो रहा है, मतलब 5, 6, 7 ऐसे इंक्रीज होते जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4 मतलब अगर सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू देखेंगे तो जो नंबर बड़ा है 5 वो लेफ्ट में आता है. ओके. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू किसका बड़ा है? 26 इज ग्रेटर देन 13. तो नेगेटिव में उसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, मतलब -26 विल बी स्मॉलर देन दिस. तो लेफ्ट में कौन सा नंबर होगा? तो इंटीजर टू द लेफ्ट इज -26. -9 and 18. तो 18 इज पॉजिटिव नंबर, तो इट इज ऑलवेज टू द राइट ऑफ द नंबर लाइन. तो यहाँ पे तो here -9 will be the answer. Fifth question. Write 3 negative integers just greater than -9. तो -9 के बाद just 3 greater numbers लिखना है. तो -9 उससे greater number मतलब तो नंबर टू द राइट ऑफ इट. तो 9 के पहले कौन से नंबर थे नंबर लाइन पे? -8, -7, -6. तो ये दैट विल बी आंसर. -8, -7 एंड -6. Write all the integers which lie between the given pair of integers in descending order. तो ये दोनों integers के बीच में कौन से integers आ रहे हैं? We have to write those numbers in डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मतलब फ्रॉम बिगर टू स्मॉलर. ओके, तो -3 और -10, तो इनके बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 एंड -9. तो बिगर इज -4, तो आंसर किसे आएगा? -4 is greater than -5 is greater than -6 is greater than -7, which is greater than -8, and then it is greater than -9. Okay, and -8 and 0, -8 and 0 के बीच में कौन से नंबर्स है? सेम, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. तो your answer will be -1 is greater than -2 is greater than -3 is greater than -4 is greater than -5 is greater than -6 is greater than -7. Okay. 9th question. Write the following integers in increasing order. Increasing order means writing the numbers from smaller to bigger. Okay. The question is 0, -9, -5 and -11. So 0 is greater number, तो वो सबसे लास्ट में आएगा. Then -9, -5, -11 all are negative numbers. और नेगेटिव नंबर्स में the number with bigger numerical value is smaller. यहाँ पे 9, 5 and 11 में 11 is a bigger number, so negative of it, that is -11 will be the smallest. So -11 then is less than -9 will come, -5 and lastly 0, that is 0 is greater of all these numbers. 11th question. Evaluate. Here we have to find the absolute value of the given integers. So first one is -13. So absolute value means just taking its numerical value. So answer is 13. Then plus 27. So answer will be 27. And here 13 minus 15. So first we will simplify this. 13 minus 15 is -2, which is equals to 2. Okay. And here minus minus is plus, so 11 plus 17 is 28 and sign of greater number, so -28 is its answer, and then absolute value of -28 is +28, so 28 is the final answer. Now the 12th question. Using a number line, answer the following question. Which number is 7 units to the right of -11? तो -11 के राइट में 7 यूनिट्स छोड़ के कौन सा नंबर आता है? ठीक है, तो इफ यू कंसिडर अ नंबर लाइन, अगर ये नंबर लाइन है सपोज, ओके, सो -11, तो यहाँ से हम लोग राइट में जा रहे हैं. -10, -9, -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and then so on. So we are going 7 units ahead to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So answer will be -4. Second question. In which direction should one move to reach -67 from -80? So we are at -80th position. From there we have to reach to -67. So for reaching that we have to first check which is the smaller number. Smaller number is to the left hand side and bigger is to the right. So among -67 and -80, as -67 is greater than -80, as -67 is greater than -80, -67 will be to the right of -80. So therefore we have to move. Therefore one should move in right direction. Thirteenth question. For the following statements, write true or false. Write the false statement correctly. Okay. So the first one is -270 is greater than -170. Just by observing the numerical value, 270 is bigger than 170. So while considering the negative integers, this will be smaller. So answer will be false. Minus 270 is smaller than minus 180. That you have to write the whole sentence. Okay. 0 is a positive integer. No. I already told you 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. All negative integers are smaller than the natural number. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So natural numbers are, in short, the positive numbers are greater than the negative numbers. So this answer is 2. Last one. The absolute value of an integer is always smaller than the integer. So absolute value of negative numbers, if we consider minus 3. So absolute value of minus 3 is 3. So as we know, minus 3 is smaller than 3. So absolute value of smaller number is bigger. So absolute value of an integer is always greater than the integer. That is, this answer is false.